Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Take Corner. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how a button slicer can help us to create insightful reports in Power BI. Okay, for that purpose, I'm going to use some wind energy related information. This is the data where we have some monthly wind energy related information where we have some wind farm and turbine name, etc. Let me go to Power BI desktop first. I will create one page. By default, already I have imported this Excel file. So let me create first two reports. Select this line chart and the month. Then I will select the revenue and let me short it by the month name. This is another bar chart where I will select this turbine name and for example, I will select this CO2 saving in tons. Okay, so these are all some two reports. Now I will show you how one button slicer can help us to provide some impactful reports to our stakeholder managers. Okay, so this is the button selector. In the button, I will select this wind farm. By default, I will get the normal slicer. It's in a button format. Now, how it can be more helpful for us? I will select this capacity factor percentage in this highlighted level. So by default, it will show you the for each wind farm average capacity percentage. But this is a very plain and simple report, and stakeholder will can ask you a different type of questions like which wind farm is working well, what is the KPI performance we have here, and is there any band, something like that. There is no color code. Let me show you. If you select this one, go to this format area. Here we have all the slicer related format. Okay, but how we can make it conditional? Go to this button and here we have this background. By default it has white color, but we'll select this conditional formatting area and we'll set up some rules here. If you select here average percentage, capacity factor percentage, and here I will provide some criteria. So this is a 0 is fine. Here I will add 40 and I will set the color as a red color. I'll add another rule. Here I need to select the number 40 and this one I will add 65 percentage and put the amber sign. And here also I will add some. Here we have selected number and 65 equal to, here we need to select the percentage and the 100 and we'll select as a green color. Okay, now I will explain to you later like why the percentage is there and others are number. Let me click on OK, and if you see there is something wrong, so this color is not coming. Let us troubleshooting that one. So from here you can observe what is the problem. So if you select this background logic again, here by mistake I have selected the percent. It should be number. Now this is working fine. Okay, so now any stakeholder or any leader from or any portfolio manager can select this wind farm. Okay, so this wind farm I have the 60% 60% capacity factor. So if I select this one and we can observe for which turbines are like are involved in this area and how much they are saving this CO2. Okay, and Then we have this, based on the monthly report, the trend analysis, we have this revenue generation. So in this way, one stakeholder can analyze this report. And also, you can check here, if you want to add some more button slicer but you don't want to put any conditional formatting there, you just want to use this as a normal filter criteria like, so then again, let me select another button slicer here, and here we have something onshore and offshore. So technically the onshore is the land sided wind energy and the offshore is established in the sea beach sided. Okay, so these are all some information you can gather from this button slicer and which can be very useful. Now I will tell you that what happened in our area, like when we set up, instead of a number we selected the percentage. So why the starting point is the 0% and the ending point is the 100%? Because it is safe to say that the lowest value is 0, which is covering, and the highest value is a 100. So without hard coding any number, so we are putting as a percentage value. Okay, but why the middle section is a number? Because our business threshold, whatever we have mentioned here, like the 40% and the 60%, that's the our fixed decision point. Okay, and that should not be shifted with based on our data. So if we want the below 40, then it should be red. So that's why always mean to be exactly 40, not the bottom 40% of whatever values exist this month. Okay, so based on the monthly value, our selection criteria will be selected based on our conditional formatting, whatever we have mentioned in our conditional formatting. Okay, so I hope from this video you understand how you can use this button slicer in your next project. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with your friend. Thank you. Thanks for watching.